and share my screen. Okay, just a moment, please. Do you see my screen?
Yes, yes, let's
Okay.
see.
Okay, this is the installation, WordPress installation. We go on backend by typing the name of at first the name of the domain and slash WP admin, this one, and we're able to go on the back office, okay? Put, we usually put a username and password to log in.
Cristiano, we are seeing
Really?
your desk.
Your
Your
desktop,
desktop.
we
Okay.
didn't
No,
see the
you're
page.
exactly. You are saying your desk.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Try to speak louder. Okay. Okay, I try. Oh, maybe I can put a microphone. Barbara, do you listen hear so well or not? My voice.
I can hear well. It's true, it's not the loudest one I have heard here,
Okay.
but yes, I can hear.
Okay. Because I don't have I have at the office my headset at the office. I have not mic here. I have other kind of mics, but not for singer, not for computer. Okay, I try to talk louder. Okay, uh, so that's okay. Uh, I try to share again my screen. Desktop too. Can you see WordPress?
Yes, now
Oh,
yes.
okay. Okay. As you can see, this is the dashboard. Uh, we discuss today. We discuss try to another tab. Put another tab the home page. Okay. The templates for stop your audio, please. Okay. We need to put templates. This is okay. As I mentioned before, the past lessons, I installed the Royal Add-ons plugin because this is open source installation. Uh, and this plugin allow me to put this one uh, or create. I can create a template for header, footer, and whatever. The first things that we did is to create the page at first, the various pages, and then once we we put the pages, we can start to go on menus and create our menu. Okay, this is the menu that we previously created. Okay, then we go on Royal Add-ons, theme builder, and create our template for header. Okay, we call it header, create a template, and then add a condition. This is the open source, the free version of Royal Elementor. So we can't do anything else or only on entire site. So we choose entire site. This is we flag this and put click on save conditions. Okay. So this will be the header that works or that work on all website. Okay, we start to put the header. I choose this kind of layout, flexbox, and choose this kind of structure. Oh, it means that these two columns. Okay, in one column I will put a logo, and in one column I can put the menu. Okay. Sorry, close your. Okay. You see the plus icon. Sorry, close your audio, please. You see the plus icon here. It means you can put the widgets that you can find on the left side, on the left column. If you click the plus icon here, you can see the icons, the widgets for to put on our page. Okay, in this case, in template, in a header template. The first thing to do is put an image or better a logo. Okay, on the left side, logo. Ah, sorry, close your audio, please. So I dragged this widget, and then I can put here an image as a logo. In this case, I previously uploaded, sorry, this logo, for example, and it appears here. Okay. Oh, now we start to edit graphically. Okay, what we can do? Go on style, and we start to edit some parameters. Okay, for example, width. I like 160. Okay, the alignment must be on left, but I don't want, for example, this text, my custom logo. I don't want it. I don't want also the what is it? The border. Okay, so I go on bottom. There are many parameters. I choose. I see the border type. I don't want any border, so I choose none. Okay, and I don't want also the text on bottom. Back to content. Go on bottom. Site title. I don't want site title. I want only the image. Okay, and for me it's okay. On the right side, I will put my menu. So I click on the widgets icon and search for menu. I type menu. So I have the nav menu and drag on the right side, okay? This is my menu that I called it main menu. I want to appears on the right, so I change the line, okay? And I want that the logo and the menu I want be aligned horizontally in the center. So I click here where you see the 6 points here in container. It means container, the entire container. Um, and choose the justify the eye line on the center. Okay, so these two appears on the center. Okay, I can choose, for example, on menu, click here, as you can see the icon here, the pinky icon. I can change the parameters for menu. Okay, so I go on style and change it a couple of things. A couple of things like color, for example, the text color. I want to change it. If you remember, the colors are right here in hexadecimal color. I explained this kind of color. For example, I like the same color of this orange. I want to appears the menu appears in orange, and maybe I can click on color sampler here and and pick the same orange. Okay, maybe no, it doesn't work. Okay, another things that I can do: publish. Go here, refresh. This is my menu. I can use the Colorzilla to pick a color. Okay, this works. It copied the color. So I back to menu and change the color in orange, the same color. Paste this color here, and then I can choose the hover color. Hover, it means when I go on hover here, go over every menu. Okay, in this moment it's blue, but I can change it in black, for example, or in gray. Okay, 666, for example, or 999. Oops, that is a light gray. So when I go on over, it changed to gray. Okay. I can also change the pointer color. This is the line that you see below the text. Or I can choose, for example, no, I don't want it, for example, so I go back to content and if I remember well, on menu items, I don't want the underline effect, so I choose none. I want to change only the color, for example. I like it, so I keep this, okay? What I can do? I can change the font family, for example, the font type, clicking by here, typography, and click on the icon here, and choose, I choose a font, okay? these are I remember you that these are fonts that you can find on the Google font repository. So if you want to search for a particular font, go on Google Font, please, and search. Choose your font of your interest. For example, I want to choose. Uh, a bolder for the a bolder font for the menu. Remember, choose no more of two fonts. Okay, choose one font for the titles for the menu, and one font for the text. Okay. Okay. You can choose. So you can choose if you like, for example. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Libre Basker will you can use or for example the Josephine. I like Josephine for example for the titles. The Josephine Sans. I go back to my Elementor and this is the Josephine Sans. I choose so as you can see the menu has changed the font. You can choose the size. Okay. I want more bolder, so I choose the font weight. I want the bold, but I want also the menu. I want to be displayed in uppercase. Okay, maybe it's too much big. Okay, maybe it's okay. So we have this one. Another thing that we can change graphically is the sub menu. Okay, we go here on the sub menu voice menu on the left side and change also the colors here. Okay. I don't want the background color. I want the orange as background. So, okay. Change also the font. I like the Josephine also for sub menus. But in this case, I don't want the capital font, but normal font, okay? Maybe semi-bold or medium. Okay, I like it. Maybe adjust the font size. Too much, 15, it's okay. And so on, okay, it's okay. Publish at the end. And we can almost finish the header, okay? This is our another problem is when the responsive come. It means when you are viewing your website on the tablet, for example, or on smartphones. Sorry. As you can see, if I take my page, change the dimensions, it change. So this is not good for and as you can see, automatically it changed to mobile menu. It's called hamburger menu. Hamburger menu. Okay, it's very different, so we had to change it on the Elementor. So we have to check the three responsive mode. So this is the desktop mode, and it's okay. But we had to change also on tablet mode and mobile mode, okay? For smartphones, just for smartphones. Okay, we switch here and check, as you can see, is not okay. because we have two rows. While I suggest you to stay, the menu must stay in one single row, okay? So we can change the columns width. Maybe the cooking, the logo, maybe a little bit smaller. So we click here. It means these are the columns, the two columns. When we click here, we can change the width. Okay. In this case, only in tablet mode. Okay, portrait. So I adjust the width. I suggest you to check in percent to change it percent. So for example, I want to choose 20%, while the next column, the second column must be 80 because the sum must be 100, okay? 100%. So I click. It's not enough to put this on one single row. So another things that I can do is to check the sides on the menu. Go on typography, maybe more smaller. Okay, 13 it's okay, but it's better to adjust also the spacing about the menu. Okay, so you can go here and adjust a little bit. It's okay. I want to align on the right side also here. It's perfect. For me, it's perfect. Check publish. Refresh also here. Go on responsive mode when change the resolution. Okay, this one is changed. And it's okay. Another things to do is also check the tablet mode, the smartphone mode. You can do two things, or put the logo and the menu as you can see here into rows, or divide into columns. If you want this menu appears here on the same row into columns, we have to change the column size, okay, the width. I change it to 50%, the first one, and the second also on 50%, okay? So I have to do perfectly two columns, and we have the logo, the menu on the right side. We can adjust also the align. I want to, oh, maybe not. No, okay, it's mobile menu. No, mobile menu. Menu, mobile menu. No, style, maybe. Toggle button. No, maybe here. No, here. This one. Okay. Toggle align. I can change the toggle. Go on style and change the toggle. For example, I want to change the color. I don't like the gray, the dark gray, but I want to paste the same orange as my pan, the fire pan, and also on hover, I want to change this or change it to 999. It means light gray. On hover, check. Let's check. It's okay. And we also change the hover on mobile menu. So I go on style, mobile menu, and change also the focus on background and change to orange, okay? I want to change also the maybe the color on text. And it's okay. I can change also, there are many parameters that you can change if you want. For me, it's okay because I have the three responsive mode are okay on the header. So I publish. It is perfect. Okay. Next, once I finished this, I go to the footer. Same thing also on footer. Go on footer, create a template that I call footer. The footer is the below part of the website. Save condition. Okay. Usually in the footer you can put the privacy, the copyright, maybe the icons for the social network, icons, and a few things. For maybe you can put again a menu, but it's not necessary. I want to choose background. I like the orange background. Okay, I can put it and start to put for example, I can put uh, the copyright. Okay, can I choose? I can choose the a text editor. So I can put here copy 2025 copyright. For example, I can put sales for Africa copyright. Okay, all rights are reserved. Okay, I don't like to adjust the style on it. Center the line, the color, maybe white, maybe the typography. I want to choose the Josephine as the the same font as the menu. Just the sides, maybe a little bolder, or maybe I can transform it in uppercase. Okay, maybe a little bit smaller now. And for example, I like the letter spacing in this case. As you can see, is a cool to do on the on the footer. Maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, it's okay for me. I want more space or more padding from the border. Okay, so I click the six, the entire container where you can see the 6 points, and I change this parameter padding. Okay, I start to put to 40. I can unlink. I want these parameters only for top and bottom. So the left and right side, I put 0 on it, okay? So I have on top 40 pixels and in bottom also 40 pixels, okay? Another thing that we can put the icons, the social icons, for example, on the footer. I search widget, search here, social, Okay, we are the social icons button widget, and I want to put on bottom on my text, the copyright text. The policy. Okay. For example, we have these three social, but we can add also other social. For example, if I add an item new, I can change it. I can, for example, I have an Instagram page. Choose Instagram. I want to put this is not more available. Twitter is not. Now it's called X. Okay, the new Twitter is or sorry, close your audio, please. Okay. Um, Maybe I have a TikTok page. So add item, and choose TikTok, TikTok icon, maybe. There is not TikTok here. No, it's not available TikTok, sorry. Or you can put email, for example, here. You can choose, also you can edit graphically the icons. You can choose the style, the colors. These are the original colors of the social, but you can change we can switch in custom colors. For example, I don't like this. I want to choose my custom colors. I want my primary color in white, for example, and secondary color in orange. Okay, so we have a more beautiful, more nice, sorry, icons for my website. Okay, I can also change the shape, or I like the circle, for example. As you can see, it's changed. Maybe it's too bigger, so I had to change just the sides. Okay, sides and padding about inside or the spacing. Okay, for me it's okay. Maybe it's better to change also the icon hover. The primary, I left the secondary in orange. I leave here, I left here. Primary color I can change. It is white, but I want to change in white with a little bit of transparency. So I drag this one to change the transparency, the opacity on this kind these icons. Okay, so as you can see, when I put uh, my mouse over, you can put the difference. Okay, so we check what we can do. Oh, it's not appears. Why? No. Uh, I gone wrong with something. Sorry. I have to check my footer again. Ah, okay, because I have two footers, maybe. Okay, we have to delete this, the older one. Go on conditions, back, save, and check now. Okay, now it's okay. As you can see, for example, there is no so much space about between the end of text and the start or the beginning of the footer. Okay, so I want to put more space here. Back, so I back to the footer and put more spacing on the entire container. Okay, so I click on the six buttons go here, 6 points. Try on advanced and check the margin. I want to put, for example, 50 pixels on top, so I have more space, and check also the page. So we have more space here is better. Okay. What we can do is the footer, the entire footer, and the header. We check also the responsive here. So check on tablet, maybe it's okay. And check also on a smartphone. Maybe it's not okay because here the text I don't like so much. So maybe I change a little bit the typography. Maybe the letter spacing back to 0. Maybe. Or you can do another thing. It's a little trick that I explained to you. Okay, I can duplicate here, and I put a footer text only for smartphones. Okay, I want to put this on the other uh, row. Sorry, and 0, maybe too much. 2, 1. Okay. I want to appear only this one on the mobile. There is a simple trick to do this. I click here, go on the advanced, click on responsive. I want this section allows me to show one item for example, only on desktop, only on tablet, or only on mobile. Okay, so I want to show this only on mobile, so I check hide the desktop and tablet and click here and choose the same thing, but in this case I want to hide only on mobile. Okay, so we have this one only on desktop and tablet, sorry. While on mobile we have this one, and this one is hidden. Okay, this is a good trick that sometimes I use. So we check the window. This is for tablet, and this for okay, change it. No, not change. What is happening? Sorry, check again. I died, okay. This one. I died. Okay. Okay, it works. Okay. So we finished the header and the sorry, close your audio. Okay. One other things that we can do is the internal pages, or we can stylize the news, our news, the news posts, or the single page. Okay. For to do this, I back to the theme builder here and go on single. I want to create a template for the various pages, for all the pages inside my website. Okay, so I call it page, create a template. Add a condition. I want to in all pages to appear in all pages. Save. Okay. And we have a little different widgets, because we can start to build the page that is the same graphics. I have the same graphics in all the pages. So also the widget, it changes now. It changed. We have a new widgets like post title. There are dynamic widgets. So as if I put a post title here, for example, this one, if I publish, if I go, for example, on my contact page, the name contacts appears here. Is the same name of the page, of the title page, okay? The page title. So if I go on Concordia Care, for example, we have the same title, okay? Or news and events. No, this is archives. This is not good. This is not good. So we start to stylize it. For example, we can do what we can do. Put a background color, go on style, put the same orange, okay? Or maybe I want to change the shape of this one. Maybe adjust the padding inside. On top, I can put 40. 40, please, 40, bottom 40. Okay, maybe not, maybe 50. So here, go on style. We have the shape divider. I want to put zigzag effect, for example, because I like it. The same thing with also on bottom. Zigzag. The same parameter as the top, 1, 20, and 10. Okay, so we have the same on top and on bottom. Maybe I can put this also on my footer page with the same parameters. So we have the same kind of graphic, okay, graphics. So I exit, back to the footer, edit, and go on container, style, shape divider, zigzag, and the same number of the parameters and height, width, and height. Okay, and publish. We have the check. So we have this one and this one. Okay, it works. We had to change the this one back to the Dream Builder on the Royal Dawns single page. Change H1, it's okay because it's the title. I choose the color white. Typography as maybe it's better to use the same font as you can see in the menu. So Josephine, adjust the sides, maybe some weight. I like the black. I like the one to uppercase. Maybe black is too much. Okay. Width, I think maybe okay. And publish. Let's check. It's perfect. So every page inside my please close your audio. Okay.
I close. Don't worry.
No, no, no. Okay, okay. That.
Welcome.
Contacts, it's the same like this one, okay? So all the pages have the same graphics inside, okay? Or we can choose, for example, if I back to, can I put a post thumbnail? If I want to put an image inside, maybe not. But I want to show the post content. Publish. Let's see. This is the content of the page. Okay. Maybe if I don't like because it's too much large, I can adjust the width. I want more small. Okay. Maybe it's more spacing from the title. So go on margin and choose 30 for example, and also on bottom. Publish. Okay, so it changed it. Another things that we can do, for example, if I like the alignment more justified, or the style, I can style it, change the color of the text, dark gray. I can change the link. I want to put an orange link over also on light gray and publish. So let's check what we can do. Okay. As you can see, I changed the color. I changed the link color and the link hover color. Okay. Maybe I can change also the typography. Mm, uh, mm, we choose another font. different from the titles. Maybe Merryweather Sounds. No, I don't like it. Come si chiama? Dai, è fair. This one. Oh, I don't like so much. Much. I change it. Sorry. I don't remember. I want to put this kind of font, but I don't remember the name. Montserrat. Change to Montserrat. Check. Oh, okay. Maybe different font size and weight. Normal and 15. Maybe line 8. Yeah, more line 8. Hmm. It could be okay. Okay, so if I go on contact page, for example, we have the same graphics. This is not, this is on page is completely different for the internal pages. Okay. So the next, we have a little break now, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, as you want. And we discuss also the other things like a news, single news, etc. Okay, so see you. Let's go. Let's go on break. See you about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. Okay.
Okay.
See you.
Okay.
Just a break. Coffee break.
Okay. Okay.
Ciao.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, okay. See you later.
Okay. So, example, if I back to the pages. Okay. If I, for example, I want to add a new page. a bit slow. Okay. Test page. I want to put a block, or I want to edit with Elementor if I want. I choose Ipsum for the fake test. Copy this and go on this test page. I want to put, for example, an image in the center, in the middle of the text. Image upload, or choose upload, or go on media library. Here, to this, and publish. Put this, go on appearance menus and put on my menu. For example, I want to put instead the hello world that I delete. I don't want this. Add to menu. Where? What's happening? Okay, I deleted the menu, the entire menu. I do again, sorry. Toilet menu. Oh. First of all, I don't want it. Remove. Contact. Test page under who we are, and Concordia Care also here. Using the events after. Save menu. Again. And check. Okay. If I go on this page, as you can see, the graphic is the same, okay? The same font, the same, I put also the an image and the font here. So as you can see, the page is similar to other pages, okay? But home is completely different, okay? I want to appear the news and events also not archives, but as also as page. So you go on settings, reading, no, study page, news events, no. I want to treat it like anything, a normal page. Okay. For show, in this section, if I want to show the post, the news, I usually use widget. Go here, open with Elementor. Type post and put this one, post grid slider cursor here. Okay. So it appear my post appears here. Okay, publish, go on news and event. As you can see, we have two posts. Okay. This one doesn't have the image, so we put it. Maybe it's better to put an image also on this post. The posts are located here for the news, for example. Okay, we have titled this post one, a lowered post. set a featured image here. We can choose the repository, the media library, or we can choose put on a new file if I, from my uh, computer. I like it. Save, check. Okay, so we have also a featured image here. We can, as you can see on top, the post can be categorized. So if you have some more categories you can set here. In this case, we don't have any category. If I have, for example, if we have a blog, travel blog, we can put the category Europe, category Africa, category America, and so on. Okay. But if you don't use more categories, but you don't use only one news for the news, we can delete this from the news and the events page. Okay, so back to the news page, edit with Elementor. Close this and click here, and we can set a few couple of things, okay, like the layout. In this case, I want to select fit rows equal 8, or I can change it, for example, as a list, okay, or slider, carousel, like carousel of posts, okay, and change this. I want to fit rows, but I want to uh, change the columns. Must be two, maybe two in two columns, or a single column if I want to put post in vertical. What is this? Resolution 1, or change the resolution of the image. Isn't good. Full, it's okay. The filters, if you want to show this one, if you don't need, because you don't have any category, you have to uncheck here. Okay, so you have only the posts. I can choose the elements. The title, it's okay. H2 is okay. The date, it's important to have a date in a news. But I don't want to show the comment because, for example, if I don't want comments, I delete this. Maybe the text, the little text, but if I don't want the excerpt, we can delete this and leave only a read more button. Okay. So we have the title of the post, the date, and the button for go inside the post, okay? We have a major effect. For example, in this case, I go darken the image, or otherwise we can go on grayscale and change it to this parameter and go on grayscale. We can choose also other things or blur, the blur effect. Okay. For me, it's okay. Layout, it's okay. Go on style to style, for example, the color of the post, the border or whatever. Go on title, change. I like, but I want to change the font color because the title I want to all titles in Josephine. Change this one. Maybe adjust the size. Maybe the bold and maybe uppercase. Okay. On hover. Or maybe I can change to orange. Check the same orange as here. I copy from here. So the title changed. On hover, same 999, dark gray. No, light gray, sorry. This is the title, it's okay for me. Maybe back to the content, to the layout, no, sorry, elements. Graphically, I want to a separator, divider here. So I add here, add item, and choose I want to separator and drag below the title. Oh, this is a separator, okay? Okay, below me, it's okay. Separate line, inline, custom width. Maybe it's okay. There are two styles, two graphic styles. Check the style 2. Okay. If I want, it's good if I want the title on the middle, on the center, okay? Maybe on the date. Oh, and read more, maybe. Okay. Change the colors on separator style 2. Maybe gray. Okay. I can change also the width. If I don't like solid, I can choose also dotted, for example, for a different style. Just the height, you see the points, okay? The bullets. Maybe it's too much. You can adjust the margin. Oh, no, it's okay for me. Maybe 3. Okay. maybe the title is too much near the photo, so I need the more space here. Back to the title, put the margin top, maybe 10. So let's check, maybe 15. Okay. I want to adjust, I don't like to match the read more button. So I change here. I want the background, the orange background. Okay, while the color must be white. Okay. Change the duration. Maybe the typography. More smaller. Maybe. But I want in bold. Or maybe italic, like this. Then the hover button, the color I don't like. Maybe I change the background color to 999, the light gray. Let's check. No, this is the color, not the background. The background is here. Okay. 999. Okay. And then more. Okay, here. Maybe adjust also the padding. Maybe bold is too much. Light, medium, maybe. Okay. As your taste. So I adjust the padding here. 15. 15. There is a chat, sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe it's okay. 15, maybe more margin from the top. So I choose 10. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. 10. Mm. Mm. Maybe from the bottom. No, it's okay for now. Maybe 10. And I want to put also a border radius so you can see what's appear here. More rounded border, okay? So we have a read more and more better, read more a button is more nicer. Publish. Maybe I like for maybe another separator from to here for separate with the below article. So I can add an element below read more button, another separator, the center, okay. Could be okay, but I want to change a little bit. Separator style 1, maybe the margin. Only on the bottom and on top. Left to right, I keep that 0 because I want to finish at the border. Could be okay. Publish. and check by clicking here, Preview Changes. Okay, so we have a list of the posts. If you don't like this kind of visualization, you can choose also on to columns, maybe on layout. Yeah, choose two or three instead one. Okay, and you can find here. Maybe, or maybe you can change as list style. Okay, if you like more smaller news. Back to one, or you can choose in a single row by choosing one single column or a list style. Okay, if you choose zigzag here, you have one, one and one. Okay, okay, it could be cooler or not. Okay, back to one single column, and that's it. So we have the list of posts. If I click here, we go. This is the detail of the post, but it's not good. Okay, because it must be we have to put a theme also for single pages, single posts. Sorry. What we have to do is back here, go on Dream Builder, choose single, uh, another click template instead page that we call, for example, single, but I want to replicate the same header here. So I want to maybe copy, go on Dream Builder, single, create template, single, I call it single, for a single news, create, add condition on posts, okay? Only on posts. Paste, the same, it's pretty the same. What we can do is maybe also here could be the same. So I paste the same thing. This is a post content. What we can change, instead of the post content, I can add also the date, because the single page have, because it's not a page, is an article, is a post. So we have to put post meta here, for example. I can add this, and not the taxonomy in this case, but the date. Change the style. Uh, elements, maybe. Yeah. Color. Okay. Maybe the font. Non sarà. Uh, the weight. Okay. It's enough. Here goes the post content. Okay. And maybe I want to show also the post thumbnails. That means this is the the image that we put. I can show you that we put as sorry, if I want to show this one or this one inside the post. Okay, this is the featured image. So a single is here. Post thumbnail, it's okay. Maybe a little bit of space on bottom. So go advanced, margin, bottom, maybe 40. Okay, publish. So as you can see, if I click here, go on detail of the news of the post, we have the title, the date, the thumbnail, and the text. Okay. If I go in other post here, is the same. The title, the date, the image, the featured image, and the text. We can finish it putting on the bottom. We can put the post navigation, or also I usually put social icons for sharing, just for sharing. So go here, sharing button, or I can put on the same here, maybe it's better, okay. I can put my icons, I can add other icons, other social. For example, I want to add WhatsApp or Telegram, or maybe email. Put on the line on the center. Maybe I want to change the colors with custom colors. No. Copy the orange. Okay. Or change the hover with light gray. Uses the same colors in all the whole website, okay? Change a few parameters. Maybe the border radius. Okay. 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 Okay, but I think it's enough. Maybe I like to put a separator, graphic separator. So I add a separator. Divider here in the center. Okay, change a little bit the color. Maybe the gap. Change the color. Where is here? Maybe more lighter. Okay. And duplicate it. So I put below the icons and then publish. I see the results. Okay. Back instant events, click here on the first one. Okay, it's the same on the wall post. Another thing that we can do is put also post navigation on bottom with previous posts or next posts. Okay, style also this post. Divider color, no. Other width, padding, no. Maybe the arrows. Okay, I want the arrows in orange. Okay, as you can see here, hover, light gray, also here, and the text, the labels, maybe in gray. Yeah, and on hover, more light gray. Change also maybe the font. Yes, here. A little bit of things. Publish. Check here. No, I don't want the line here. I don't like. So we can back here. General divider. I don't want any divider. No. Okay. Show dividers. No. Okay. Publish. We have the previous posts or the next posts. Okay. For navigation, just for navigation. We finished. We finished the here. We finish all layout, I think. So we need to populate the various pages. Like this is finished. It's okay. The contact. We have to finish the contact page. I show you the next time. And to develop a better homepage. Okay. So I guess for today is enough. So
Yes,
I record all the whole session and I will put about for a few minutes. Okay, in a few minutes.
okay, thank you, Cristiano. I don't know if
Yeah.
someone have any doubts.
Okay.
Yeah,
See you
yes,
next time.
Cristiano, thank you.
Thank you too.
Thank you also, Barbara. Was very interesting, but the problem is for me, I don't know for the case of the other people, we need to be very, very practical to do all of this.
I know, I know, I know. Next time we can do
Okay.
a little bit
Yeah.
of
I
practice,
don't know.
practice,
Okay.
because it's very simple to develop this kind of
Web page.
website because you have to drag and drop the various elements on the page and develop your page as you want. Okay, but you have also the possibility to enter in my website, in this website. I will do again the credential you can create your own page and play a little bit with the Elementor, okay? So you can
Okay.
practice a little bit.
And
Okay.
I think this
Thank
is,
you.
yeah, I think this is a nice opportunity for you. Yeah.
Yeah. I will put
Yeah.
again the credentials again, okay? On,
Okay. Thank you, Armel.
I will put on the sorry, WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
have a good day. Ciao.
Okay.
See
Thank
you
you.
next
Thank
time.
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
Joel.
you.
Bye,
Thank you very much.
Cristiano.
Bye
Bye
bye.
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 Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.